because I'm tired of being bald headed. Trust me, I knew I was that girl back then, and I could be that girl again. It is the weekend, baby, and guess what? You know your girl is in the car, so you know what that means. I am just going to run a few errands. I have to go to Walgreens to pick up some prescriptions, some medication, and also I need to go to At Home. I want to get a straightener because I want to make some hair because I'm tired of being bald headed. My hair stopped growing due to my thyroid levels, and it's thinning out in certain spots where it has started to grow. But I do have a receding line, but I have hair follicles there, so that is the good thing. So they have started growing back. As I said before, I made a concoction before and it was working, but the last one that I did do, it molded. So I'm coming up with a concoction that I know that would work for me, that may work for other people and different things. So I'm going to get a straightener so I can do that. And I'm going to the grocery store as well to pick up some things that I want to cook today. Today I think I want to fix me some roasted potatoes with some tricolor peppers and a piece of salmon, because I haven't had any fish. I picked up some fish last weekend, but it was about time I got to the car and I went in the hair store for something, came out and the car was stinking. So I was like, well, what is that smell, you know? And come to find out, all the time it was the fish, because I didn't get it from behind the counter. So I want to go to Sam's and get a whole thing of fish so Twin can cut it up. But I have to I like to go to Sam's when he's with me because I want to get some water, and I think I want to do a little detox as well, a full detox. Yeah, because the medication, you know how medication stop you up. So that's that with that. But other than that, today is going to be a chill day. I am babysitting later on, so I'm trying to get out and do what I need to do and start my dinner for today before I have to watch Miss Mia. And yeah, that was it. I think I may be on my way to New Orleans real soon. I am not sure. I'm kind of on the fence about it, but that is something real personal. But I'm kind of on the fence about it, but I'll see how it goes. But I have some things, I have a lot of things that's going on that I just need to get off my chest. So I'll probably do a TED talk later on regarding how I feel, you know, how I really feel about a lot of things that's been transpiring over the last couple of weeks. Would this be nice to go in my room because of the theme that we got going on, and put a comforter or put a blanket in there? I think that'll be nice. It's a little bright right here, but I think this would be nice. And it's for $39. I can't beat that. This is what I'm looking for my bathroom closet to put in there. Some cubes like this, but I prefer them to all be, not to be a set, because you're getting two in these, but I guess it'll work for $12.99. Two of these for $24. That should probably work. It might work. Let me get what I'm getting out this store. So they have these two for $12, which is the mesh that I'm looking for. Or this one for $11. It's just one big one, so I am not sure which one I want to get. So we're gonna head on over to this beauty supply store called Beauty Trend and look for a wig thing to tie down your wig if you want to melt your lace. So I'm gonna get that and see if they have some. I have some even spray color tint, so I think I'm just going to use that. I have everything else I need except that, so I'm going to go in here and see what I can find. And see how it works. Let me see if I can find some stuff to stick it on, because I might want to leave it on for a couple of days and let it blend. These were fingerling potatoes. They were tricolors, so I got everything I needed for my potatoes. I have my oven is heated. So I have my seasonings that I'm gonna put. I'm gonna use some black pepper, a little salt, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. I picked up a cheap pan from the dollar store. I don't know what I was thinking, but here are my potatoes. Let's get this together. I'm gonna put my water on to boil for my hair oil. I'm gonna do the boiling hot method. So water in here. Rinse off my veggies, and I'm gonna have to cut up my green onion. So that we used to have at the restaurant when we worked. Like this. And I'm just going to put it in the oven on 350. I got these cheap ass pans, so I'm gonna double this pan up. I'm gonna add a little bit more. That. So I'm gonna double this pan. This is flammable. Everything for my hair oil mixture, and these are some of the products. This is vinegar cheese, my earls. I have a cheesecloth, my double boiling water, and I have my bowl and mixing. I have my measuring cups, and I have a mixing spoon, and I have my strainer that I purchased from Home Goods. So yeah, let's get started. Happy Sunday, and like I told y'all yesterday, today is just going to be a TED Talk. Some things that just overwhelm me. anxiety issues, depression. You know, a lot of things can send people overboard, I want to say. But it's a struggle. It still is a struggle. I want to wear my natural hair, but the way it looks, I don't want to wear it out. I have stuff to put in it, but it is what it is. That's why I pulled out the wig. I washed the wig and everything. So I'm just waiting for the curls to fall so I can put it on and see how I like it. I wore it before. I insert a picture. And I liked it. It lasts a long time. It's an old wig, but it lasts a long time. But that caused me to have a little depression, plus having to gain the weight that I have gained within this past year. If you ever was a small person and you gained a lot of weight all of a sudden, yeah, it takes a toll. But you know, I'm up in age. I'm not that age anymore. You know, I'm up in age. So, you know, a lot of factors plays into place, because you have people telling you, oh girl, you didn't gain some weight, but it's not in a good way from their facial expressions, you know. And that mess with people's self-esteem. You know I am loved and wanted. I am secure, but I do have those issues, you know, insecurities within myself. And it brings me to have self-esteem issues, not low self-esteem issues, because I know who I am. Trust me, I knew I was that girl back then, and I could be that girl again. Okay, so that is the thing that I have been dealing with